So hey guys, welcome to my another vlog, and I know that this vlog is so much late because I wasn't traveling anymore and I stopped posting long vlogs since so much time, and I was posting shorts on my vlog channel, so you can also see them, and I was posting daily. So today in this vlog I'm gonna show you my fitness session which I do daily on this same time. It's 1 o'clock of the afternoon and I came from my school at 12:30 and I get half an hour of break, and then I came here directly, and now I will be doing fitness session for next half an hour. So I wanted to show you my legs. Yes, I know that braces at Turkish are somehow good, and I know that they are skinny, not perfect, but I still wanted to show you and share my workout with you, which I do daily to get these steps of legs, and I am also working upon my body. So let's start. First of all, I will do everything 20 times in one set. Like I'm gonna do lunges, front lunges. So I will do this 20 times, one set only. Then back lunges like this one, 20 times, one set only. So I'm gonna start now. So let's go. So 20 times done. Now back lunges. Let's go. So back lunge is also done, because lunges is somehow tougher because it gives a extreme pump and pressure on your legs and whole leg. The other exercises are just for like this part or this part, but lunges and squats give pump to every part of your legs. So lunges have been done. Now I'm gonna do squats. So first of all I'm going to do this normal squats 20 times, then jumping squats, which we also call frog jump, like this one. So I have to sit and jump 20 times, and that one is very tough, but still I can do. So let's go. Let's start. First of all, 20 squats normal. I'm gonna take no break. So 20 times squats done. Now 20 frog jump, or you can say jumping squats. So let's go. My legs are paining really. This one is so tough. Oh. heartbeat. So okay, the next exercise is this one. Yes, you can also do this at your home also, because it's not tougher or it doesn't give pump to your leg or pressure, but it increases stability of your hamstring, whole hamstring, from backwards and aheadwards or forward. So this much part will be covered, and I think whole thigh will be covered. So let's go 20 times this one. I forgot to tell you that this one was forward one. Now it has also have a part called backward. So I will do this. So when we do forward one, our left hamstring and ahead hamstring gets pressured and pumped, and it increases stability here. Now when we do backward, our backward thigh and left hamstring will be get stability and pumped, because when we do this one is increased, this part is covered, and when we do this, our backside part will be covered. Okay, so let's go backwards 20 times. So now this exercise is also done. Now next one is sideways, like this one, 20 times still there. So doing this gives pressure and pump to this side of the legs of both sides. So now the next exercise is gonna be called catwalk, like this one. You have to go like this. It gives pump backwards of your both legs, and this one is tougher and tougher, which we can't do, but I'm gonna do. I'm tired really, and my head is fainting really. So no matter, I will complete my workout session, then I will be going home. So let's do this 20 times catwalk. Gives extreme level of pump to our legs. So now our next exercise is gonna be touching our legs like this, which gives pump backwards, whole back leg, from your hip to your toe, to your leg, downward leg. So let's start it. So this one also done. Now next one is going upward, taking your knee and touching your toes and taking your one leg backwards. So let's do. This increases your stability to fold your legs, and na, like this and high knees also. High knees is also left. We will do after this. So let's go. Tired. So now 20 times high knees. So now 20 times high knees. Let's go. So completed high knees, and now it comes butt kicks. Like we have to touch our legs on our hips. 1, 2, like this. So 20 times this one also. Let's go. So now I think every exercise has been done. Now I'm gonna do 10 strides and 10 sprints. I think you know strides. Strides are running from like this, taking small steps and running fast. And sprint, we all know that at least athletes run in race. No matter what meter that race is, 100 meter, 200, you have to run how fast as we can. So from here to that is a distance of 25 meter. I will be running 10 times both. So it will become 250 meters plus 250, 500 meter. So let's go. So one more thing I have to add is that I will run strides continuously 10 times, and I will complete 10 times sprints in 2 sets, because sprint is somehow harder and I can't run and continue 10 times. So let's go. 10 times sprints from here and I will finish here. So let's go. Sorry, I am running strides now. Sprints I will be running next time. So okay, let's go. Front time start done. Now I'm gonna walk for 1 to 2 minutes. Now you all gonna think that why I was walking or why I am walking. So I want to say that whenever you are running, striding, sprinting or jogging, don't come and sit after you're completing your session, or don't drink water immediately. First of all, walk to cool your heartbeat downwards and walk, and then after go sit and sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then after drink water. You have heard many people say this, and this is right. So I was walking for that only, to restore my stamina for sprint, because I want to also run sprints, and after completing sprints I will be stretching my legs so no injury could happen. So let's go. 5 sprints I will be starting from here, completing there. Okay, so let's go. So 5 sprints completed. Now I'm gonna walk at least 2-3 times, and now I will be starting from there because I want to finish here. So I will walk and then start from there, 5 times sprint. So okay, now I'll go there and start running 5 times, 5 sprints. Okay, so let's go. All set, let's go. Oh! I know this time I couldn't give my 100% effort because I'm really tired. So this session is over now completely. So let's go and do some stretching to cool our legs. So everything is completely now done. Now you can check the pump on my legs. I know in video it will be still showing skinny legs and no pumps because video couldn't capture anything really. So if you are seeing me in real, you can watch the pump and I can see the pump with what is happening to me in my legs. So I'm just showing if in case video shows. So these are somehow out and my legs are already gone. I think I couldn't even walk more because कहते हैं ना legs भर गए पूरे, वो हो चुका मेरे साथ. And many people will say that your legs are still skinny, you are not working, you are not bulking. So I would just want to say that I am working on my body. I am trying to bulk and I am bulking and cutting at the same time. I know that it is incorrect, you have to bulk and then cut, but I am doing both things at the same time. No matter Now I want to show you my inner body as well. You can see this sweat. So this is the work I have got on my body. I know results are still bad. I will be trying much more to do. So it's over. Now this session is over, and now I will be taking a cold bath, going home, and then completing my sleep also. I will now go and take bath and will sleep for 1 to 2 hours. Then I will have to go to academy. And now it's time 1:20. So and see, I have to rest for two hours. Then I will to go academy. I have to go to academy in 2 hours. At 3:30 I want to go there, and I will be doing this same things but a little bit less. I have doing much more here because I want to push my abilities to the extreme and ultimate level. So I am doing extra here, and then I will be doing these same things once again in academy. So I will be having an ultimate fitness. I am working on my fitness as well. So it's all for the video. So get me in comments in case any exercise is left, so I can also do that. So comment that which part you like the most and which exercise is still need to get good legs. So okay, this was all for the video. Goodbye. So हालत देख लो, पूरे आधे घंटे फिटनेस एंड लेग वर्कआउट करने के बाद, जो कि इतनी धूप में कर रहा था मैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना हो चुका है। अब घर जाके सबसे पहले नहाना है, देन सोना है, देन अकेडमी जाना है। सो 3 काम करने हैं, फिर आके वापस से रेस्ट करेंगे। सो गुड बाय।